Hi guys, so I'm back with another video. Sorry that you can't really see what's behind me, but today I'm just gonna be doing my poops and whoops of March, since it's April now. Today's April 1st. So to start off, I'm gonna say this was a poop, my hard candy mattifying primer. No, not a poop, a whoop. I really like this. It has a lot of product in there. I like to use it all over my face though, so it mattifies my skin. I really like this primer. No, it really works really well. Another whoop was my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. It is a soft matte and I really like the way it smells. It smells so good. The only thing I don't like is look how messy it is. I don't like how messy it gets. So that's something to keep in mind if you plan on buying this, because it will get messy really fast. Like, even at Sephora, the testers, they are quite messy too. It does get messy, so that's one thing to keep in mind. But I really do like this foundation. I'm in the shade 440, and I also like these ColourPop brushes. This is the E1, and this is the E9, the taper blending brush and the blending brush. I really like these. It's really soft. Every time I wash them, they never shed it on me, so that's a good thing. Another thing that I like was this Neutrogena skin clearing powder, mineral powder, and chestnut 135. It smells really good. Let me swatch it. I really like it. It's a really good pressed powder to set your whole face. And recently my other pressed powder fell and shattered, so this is a really good powder and I really like it. And it's drugstore. Most of this stuff is like cheap. I also like this ColourPop X My Little Pony lip gloss in Flutter Valley. I don't really like wearing it on its own, but when I top it off, like if I put this on top of a different lipstick or lip gloss, it looks gorgeous. It's a glittery one. Also like the ColourPop X I Love Side E collaboration lip gloss in Atole. Let's swatch it for you guys. It look really pink in the container, but when you swatch it, it's like kind of gold, and I like that. I also like the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip and Souffle. It has a really good formula. It's really pigmented and not streaky at all. I like that, and it don't smell bad. So it's not matte yet. Obviously, you gotta dry down, but that's how it looks. Let me pause this real quick. Also, the next product that I really liked was this ColourPop Cute AF product. Palette, I mean. It's the Yes Please palette. I know mine is really dirty. And, like, the only thing I don't like about this, look at it as soon as I open it. You can't really see because the light is being weird. But, look at this. This is so depressing. I made a mistake and dropped the shade. Yeah, I made a mistake and dropped the shade. And, yeah. I dropped the palette and a bunch of eyeshadows popped out, so that's why they're not in the right place. So next time I do a tutorial using this palette, I will not be naming them because I don't. It's messed up. Like, I dropped, it fell, and they popped out. My uncle go, oh, I said, oh, I put them in the wrong place. He said, he said, drop it again, and drop it again. I dropped it again, and this is what happened. This break. And I was so upset. Like, this shade is so gorgeous, and it broke. I look at my hand. And that made me mad. But other than that, I like this palette. Just don't drop it. The next thing that I really like was my e.l.f. eyebrow and mascara thing, the clear eyebrow gel. I really like this for my eyebrows. It smells weird though. I never really smelled it. Let me smell the mascara side. And you can see I don't really use the mascara side. Mascara side was tight. I never opened this. Let me see. Does it do anything? This mascara doesn't really do anything. But I really like this eyebrow side. I suggest this if you want a cheap eyebrow gel, a clear one. I also like this ColourPop Brow Boss pencil. The only thing I don't like about this is once you roll this up, you can't roll it back down. Like, the only way is up. And I don't like that about that. And I also don't like how you can't see my background. Like, I'm in heaven or something. So, that's one thing about this that I like and don't like. But overall, this is very pigmented and I suggest it for all you guys. Only costs like $5 or $6, so it's worth it. I also like the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Let me show you how the one looks. I don't really like the way it smells. It's not bad, but it's just like nothing that I would like. I really like that one. It really volumizes my lashes. And the last Whoop of March was my Morphe 35B palette. Oh, it's messy right now. But this is how it looks. It's a Whoop. You can check out my spring tutorial. I used this in there. So you might want to check that out. And now let's go on to the poops. So the only poop I really have is this Bitch Cosmetics Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer in the shade 121. The formula, at first I thought this shade was orange. I put it on. And I also don't like the application, the applicator, but let me blend it out because it looks orange. It looks orange on my skin, and I don't like that. And I also don't like, every time I used it, I baked with it, and it did not work. Like, if anything, it made my bags more visible. So that's one thing that I did not like about it. I'm gonna give it one more try, where instead of baking, I just set underneath my eyes. It's only underneath my eyes that I really have a problem with this. Like, when I clean my brows, it's good. But other than that, and like highlighting everywhere else except for my eyes, it's good. But as soon as I go underneath my eyes, it don't really do its job. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more. And bye. Check out my newest video.